Rosalie, there's a blood clot. White Perry fuck me. Army fuck White Perry. It's over
We're
right.
not talking. Hello.
Fresh drop.
Rosalie, I don't believe nothing that one on the internet. After see blood clot proof. Them say me fuck Batty and them say man fuck me. So if anything go up on the media, show the proof and show that. And it's done this a road.
You don't have to show. You don't have to show.
And this is calm down, calm down.
Them never say White Perry grinder. Them say you my text. When the party done, where I go? And that them say, you know you're gonna grind. When the party over, when you're going. Now that me hear, that's what me hear.
Really?
It's a statement properly. That them say. And that TJ.
Fresh drop.
That TJ so time out. So you show me text when quiet person when party over where you go. Me never hear about grind, so but I mixed up the story and go off and say a lie. I text you and my text. I don't know if you reply, sir. I don't know if you reply no. But you show the text, I can text you.
You get the screenshot, Ross?
What kind of screenshot?
Oh, you know it's true.
What do you know?
Oh, you know it's true. And that the blood clot to know over here and you follow up allegation and
you know that's true?
Yeah.
Oh no, it's not true. You didn't say shit out of your mouth.
Because at the time I was making money. I was making to better myself in life. I didn't have to do fucking mix up to get gifts. And I still don't have to do mix
Fresh
up to get
drop.
gifts. So who answered this answer that I don't have to follow it up?
Don't worry yourself, 6. Jabba's not gonna come class, I have to pick up the team.
No, I'm not pick up with Jabba's.
Hold on, I'm not gonna argue and I'm not gonna shout. Have a good afternoon, because I'm not saying with you, boy. You know why I'm not saying with you, yourself? You know I'm not saying with you, yourself? When people talk things for the internet.
No secret from over here. No secret from me. You know. Why we have blood clot, man? Fuck the Rosalie. I'm gonna let you have blood clot secret from me. I pick up with Jabba's. If Jabba's wrong, I tell him send the bumbo clot wrong. And Jabba's can't violate me, I tell him send the wrong. If don't do wrong, I tell him. If don't do it, I tell him. And then say two of them, but I like to show I go on. Because that way, meet in an accident and my father.
Fresh drop.
Two of them good. That took a turn. The real blood clot Jabba's and my real donor.